Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Quora Spaces, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for Quora Spaces, start by opening your web browser. Type in the Quora URL and hit enter. If you already have a Quora account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Quora button. Fill in the required information to create your account. You can either use your email address or sign up using Google or Facebook. Once your account is created, navigate to the Quora homepage. Look for the Spaces option on the menu bar. Click on it to explore existing spaces. To create your own space, find and click on the Create a Space button. Choose a name that reflects the theme of your space. You will also need to provide a short description of your space's purpose. Decide on the privacy settings for your space, public or private. Add a cover image that represents your space visually. After filling in all the details, review your entries carefully. Once you are satisfied, click on the Create Space button to finalize. Your new space will be set up, and you can start inviting members. Begin adding content relevant to your space's theme. Engage with your members by encouraging discussions and sharing insights. Monitor the activity in your space to keep it active and relevant. Now you are ready to explore the potential of Quora Spaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.